You have 4 minutes for your presentation. This sentence may not make any sense to you, but it meant a lot to technology startups that I had the chance to meet. I would like to describe a ritual related to this sentence with a device. Let's build it first. Please do not consider this device as a technological solution. Maybe we can define it as a reuse project because of the components used. But the goal was neither. I built it because I wanted to keep a ritual as a memory. I have had the chance to work with technology startups for a long time. A good presentation was the best way for these startups to express themselves to the organizations. For this purpose, usually each startup was given 4 minutes for their presentation. The time was followed with the help of a tablet computer. And the time of the presentation was started by a moderator. If an unexpected situation happened during this presentation, the timer was stopped and restarted. When the presentation time was up, a bell was gently rung. When the presentation was over, a new 4 minute period was started for the Q&A session. At the end of this final part, the bell was rung several times. It meant that all the sessions are over. But when the pandemic came, it became a little difficult to do this. The same tablets started to participate in the juries with us. Somebody was controlling the timer again, and the image of it was projected into conversation by the help of another computer. That was the moment I wanted to turn into an object, because I want this solution a bit ironic. It reminds me the working principle of the camera obscura. We were listening to technology startups and using computers, but a very primitive method came to our aid. Here is the working principle of this timer. In the well-insulated darkroom inside, a high-resolution camera monitors a digital clock and transmits it to the computer. A simple and maybe a fun optical illusion.